Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about subject verb agreement. Okay, what is that? Is subject verb agreement. So through that only we can also speak good English. How? Because subject verb agreement is a topic where we can know that if subject will be plural, then definitely you have to use verb as plural. And if subject will be what? Singular, then you must use singular verb. How? Let us know. Okay? With few examples. After that, I will tell you. This is the rule that in subject verb agreement, if subject will be singular, verb is singular, subject is plural, you must use plural. But few subjects are there in singular form. It means that is plural, but you have to
make it
singular. Understanding? That's why you have to use is, where, is, am, are, was, where. All these things have, has, had, everything you use according to your subject. Okay? So let us go with few examples. Understanding? Now, my dear friend, let us know subject verb agreement. Here you have to use. Okay, here you have to use what? Let us go to example. My first example is Amit and Rakesh dash play. So Amit and Rakesh both are there, means it is singular or plural? Plural. So which verb you can use? Are. So Amit and Rakesh are playing. Understanding? Rima dash talking with them.
Rima is talking with them.
Correct. Rima is talking with them. Okay. Then Ranjita with her sister dash present.
Are present.
Ranjita with her sister. Just you see, Ranjita with her sister is present or are present. So our correct answer is was. Why? Because see, Ranjita with her sister is or was, that depends on your situation or tenses. Understanding? Okay? Understanding? So here Ranjita with her sisters, we are thinking that it is plural. But here Ranjita with her sister, because Ranjita is your main subject. Understanding? That's why you must use it. This was will be the verb. Then iron as well as gold. That's found in India.
Found in India.
Because iron as well as gold, both the things are there. Things are many. Iron as well as gold, but it is showing that one material. Understanding? That's why what will be the correct answer? Is. Okay? So once again you repeat. Iron as well as is. Okay. Very good. Then either John or his friend has done this. Because see here your done means your V3 is there. That's why what you have to use?
Have.
H-A have done. Understanding? Divya, Shizel, everybody, Vaibhavi? Because see, either John or his friend. So here the appropriate verb is have. So let us repeat it once again. You read, all of you. Abid
Are playing.
Rima
is talking with them.
then
Ranjita with her sister was present. Iron as well as gold is found in India. Neither John or his friends have done this.
Okay, so here we have completed our subject verb agreement. How? See, subject is singular, verb will be subject is singular, verb will be singular. If subject will be plural, verb will be